Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best Traxxas RC Cars is probably one of the most exciting and exhilarating ways to experience the thrill of high-speed remote-controlled driving, offering unparalleled performance, durability, and cutting-edge technology that appeals to both seasoned hobbyists and newcomers looking for an adrenaline rush. Number 5. DEERC 9206E DIY RC Monster Truck. Introducing a large-scale RC car that lets you be the designer. It comes with a transparent shell, so you can imagine and create your own unique look. Plus, with LED headlights, you can drive it day or night. Tired of short playtimes? This RC car comes with 2 high-quality rechargeable batteries. Enjoy up to 40 minutes of thrilling driving action on a single charge, giving you more time to race. Experience precise control with its proportional throttle and steering. Easily adjust your speed and direction for a smooth ride, whether you're a beginner or an expert. It's controllable from up to 100 meters away. Equipped with metal oil-filled shock absorbers, this RC car is ready for any adventure. Drive it on beaches, sand, rocks, or concrete roads. It's built to protect its internal components for long-lasting fun. Looking for the perfect gift? This high-speed RC car is ideal for kids and adults alike. It's a must-have for anyone who loves racing and off-road adventures. Share the excitement with friends and family. To ensure optimal performance and longevity, please avoid continuous high-speed operation for over 20 minutes. Allow it to cool down between uses and avoid extreme conditions. Refer to the user guide for detailed safety tips. What we like. This RC car offers a unique DIY experience with an extra shell for customization. Its high speed and durable shocks make it great for all terrains. If you enjoy personalizing your RC car and want a versatile vehicle for various surfaces, this is the one for you. What people say. The durability is top-notch and it handles bumps and crashes without issues. The batteries are strong. I get about 20 minutes of full-speed play, and around 12 minutes running hard in grass. Fast, fun, and built solid. This little hot rod gives the fun and thrills that you normally only watch on TV. It screams on asphalt, and slides through turns in dirt. It handles jumps with aplomb, but it's also got enough traction and clearance to be able to move along smartly in short grass and even leaves. The 4-wheel drive, aggressive tread pattern, and plentiful torque make it a sure-footed scrambler on uneven, near-vertical terrain. It is well made with real oil-filled shocks and a sturdy underside to the chassis. Independent suspension and 4-wheel drive make it surprisingly stable over bumps and rocks. Having an extra shell is a bonus on 2 counts. You can either decorate it to your liking or keep it over the stock shell and protect the finish. Likewise, it comes with 2 batteries, which is a real plus. Number 4. DEERC 9300E High-Speed RC Monster Truck. Introducing the newly upgraded high-speed remote control car. With larger tires and a stronger grip, it's ready for any adventure. We've even included accessories to keep it tidy. Enjoy over 40 minutes of thrilling driving with 2 included rechargeable batteries. Its durable nylon chassis is built to last, making it perfect for enthusiasts. This hobby-grade RC car features a 2.4 GHz system for precise control. Easily adjusts speed and direction, making it ideal for both beginners and experienced drivers. Equipped with 2 powerful motors, it reaches speeds of over 40 km/h. A professional metal heat sink ensures extended motor life for continuous fun. Its independent suspension and damped metal shocks allow it to tackle any environment. The reinforced wheels handle unexpected bumps, so your racing journey never stops. Everything you need for an exciting experience is included right in the box. Get ready to join the DEERC family and start your adventure today. What we like. This upgraded model features larger tires with enhanced grip and a durable PA chassis. It's designed for hobby-grade performance that's still beginner-friendly. If you're looking for a reliable and capable RC car that offers a great balance of performance and ease of use, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The car is very fast and handles well on different terrains. The build quality is excellent, and it feels very durable. The battery life is surprisingly good, allowing for extended playtime. Number 3. DEERC 9201E110 RC Truck. Experience the thrill of a 110 scale RC car, built for speed and adventure. Its powerful motor, reinforced design, and LED lights are ready for any challenge, in any weather. Enjoy over 40 minutes of continuous driving with 2 included rechargeable batteries. Each battery provides more than 20 minutes of exhilarating fun, keeping the excitement going. This RC car boasts a high-performance motor capable of reaching speeds up to 48 km/h. A built-in heatsink ensures it maintains peak performance and a longer lifespan. With a high-torque steering servo and a 30A ESC, you get precise control and quick acceleration. It delivers the power and speed needed to dominate any surface. Featuring an independent suspension system and anti-skid rubber tires with aggressive tread, this vehicle stays stable and tackles any terrain with ease. Get ready for all-terrain racing. What we like. This RC car boasts a fast short-course design with a powerful motor and high-torque steering. It's built for exciting, high-flying adventures. If you crave speed and responsive handling for dynamic off-road action, this model will deliver an exhilarating experience. What people say. The car is very fast and has great acceleration. The build quality is excellent, feels very durable and well-made. The remote control is responsive and easy to use, providing good range. Number 2. DEERC 9500E 1/16 scale all-terrain RC car. Experience the thrill of high-speed racing with dual powerful motors delivering over 40 km/h. These motors also provide impressive climbing ability, allowing you to conquer steep 50-degree slopes effortlessly. This all-wheel drive monster truck features a durable nylon chassis and a high-torque steering system. Its splash-proof design and wide wheels let you drive freely on any rough road. Beyond its exceptional performance, this off-road vehicle boasts a custom-designed graffiti shell with a cool skeleton graphic for a truly striking visual experience. Enjoy extended driving fun with 2 large-capacity rechargeable batteries. The 2.4 GHz control system prevents interference, allowing you to race with friends and family without interruption. With its extraordinary grip, operation, and durability, this RC car is ideal for both beginners and intermediate users. It makes for an exciting and unforgettable gift for kids and adults alike. What we like. With dual motors, this RC truck delivers impressive speed and exceptional climbing ability, even on steep inclines. Its splash-proof design means you can drive it through various conditions. If you need a powerful truck that can handle challenging terrains and inclines with ease, this is your go-to option. What people say. The car is very fast and durable, perfect for off-road adventures. Excellent build quality and attention to detail, it looks and performs like a real racing car. The remote control is responsive and has a good range, making it easy to maneuver even at a distance. Number 1. DEERC H16 are brushless fast RC cars. Experience explosive power and efficient cooling with its advanced brushless motor and heat sink. Even in challenging conditions, the splash-resistant components ensure the fun never stops. Conquer any terrain with its high-performance transmission. The precise steering and power delivery allow it to effortlessly handle demanding environments. Enjoy a smooth ride and protection for its electronics thanks to the oil-filled metal shocks. Its robust metal drive system ensures an awe-inspiring performance. Reach thrilling speeds of up to 52 km/h with its powerful batteries. Enjoy up to 40 minutes of driving time for a safer and more durable experience. Take control with the professional 2.4 GHz remote, offering a 150-foot range. Perfect for beginners, you can adjust the speed limit, making it an excellent gift. What we like. This RC car is equipped with a high-performance brushless motor for explosive power and a waterproof ESC for all-terrain capability. It reaches incredible speeds and offers a robust drive system. If you're seeking top-tier speed, advanced components, and the ability to drive in challenging conditions, this brushless model is the ultimate choice. What people say. This car is extremely powerful, quick, fast, tough, and fun. It has 4-wheel drive with metal differentials, so the wheels can spin at different speeds to help with cornering. Also, the battery connects securely and has a strap to hold it in. On 100% I clocked it at 22 miles per hour with my phone attached to it as a speedometer. The car also has oil-filled shocks that feel nice, and when you're going forward and push the reverse throttle, the car brakes to a stop without continuing to back up. The packaging, instructions and accessories were more than satisfactory. Extra battery and body clips came in handy as you tend to lose those. 100% speed is basically insane. The oil-filled shocks are especially good for going over the bumps and steering is pretty accurate and linear. The RC car is absolutely bang for the buck for every age. Really great performance and A++ ratings for the customer service. This RC car is extremely fast and powerful. The brushless motor makes a big difference in speed and performance, and it handles all types of terrain very well. The build quality feels solid, and the waterproof design is a great bonus for outdoor use. Having 2 batteries is very convenient and extends playtime. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.